Guys, I wanted to show you this beta glucan that I received from the company. I have kind of gone down a rabbit hole in researching the benefits of taking a supplement like this. So I definitely recommend you do your own research or talk to a healthcare provider. But for me, I am really excited about this. Well, first, let me just show you what it looks like. So it's pretty small, like a little bit bigger than my pinky nail. Let's say about the size, let me put this down, about the size of a little bit bigger than my thumbnail even. So it's not, anything big. This one it has 500 milligrams each, and you take one a day, 30 minutes before you eat on an empty stomach. So that's how it's recommended. What I'm really excited about is that this brand does do a lot of testing to make sure of the purity. It also is, the FDA has rated it as being generally regarded as safe, which I find to be important. I'm like skeptical with supplements sometimes. So I really like that there's a lot of testing behind this. There's purity to it. The FDA has also, put that approval on it. So that makes me feel better. There's no fillers. It's basically just the ingredient of the active glucan in it. So there's no fillers, no additives, no soy, no gluten, so it's free of major allergens. So I feel like there's this purity to it that I really do appreciate. There's no sugars. You don't have to worry about like spiking any type of blood sugar or anything like that. So that makes me feel really good. The other thing is that there is a lot of university studies behind this product, or behind this like supplement itself. So I really find that that's nice that you can read about the benefits. For me personally, I'm taking it to just feel like more energy. I'm aging. I have 3 kids. I am busy. I work. If I can take something that there's research behind that's showing it helps improve energy, I love that. It also, is showing that it can improve like your immunity. So I also really do like that. It's not something that you're supposed to take from what I'm reading. Like if you're getting a cold, you don't reach for this necessarily. It's something you take every day, and it will build. So consistency is definitely key for something like this to work. So really excited about this product. I definitely recommend it.